Hello and welcome to the introduction video for the Cricut machines here at HHPL. Whether you're a beginner or already into crafting, this video will help you safely and confidently get started with our Cricut cutting machines. From cards and labels to iron-ons and 3D projects, these machines are here to spark your creativity. Safety first. Before you begin, here are a few quick safety tips. Make sure your materials are flat and properly aligned before cutting. Always unload mats and tools gently to avoid injury or damage. Don't force the blade or carriage, let the machine do the work. Keep hands, hair, and cords clear of moving parts while the machine is operating. Supervise children while they're around the machine. If something doesn't seem right, ask a staff member for help. Basic setup. Let's get your machine ready. Plug in the power cord and USB, or use Bluetooth if needed. Place the machine on a clean, flat surface. Turn it on using the power button on the right side. Next, open the Cricut Design Space on your computer or tablet and sign in. Design Space will guide you step by step through your project. Cut, draw, and more. Here are the different functions you can use the Cricut for. Cut. Cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, felt, leather, and more. Draw. Use Cricut's pens to add texture illustrations. Score. Add fold lines for cards and boxes. Engrave and deboss. This is for maker models only, using it for metal, foil, and leather. Next, let's look at tool heads. Cricut models use different interchangeable tools for different materials. Here are ones that you might use. The fine point blade for everyday cutting, paper, vinyl, and iron-on. The rotary blade for fabric and delicate materials. The knife blade for thick materials like chipboard and leather. The scoring stylus or wheel makes clean folds for cards and 3D shapes. Cricut pens for writing or drawing instead of cutting. Ask staff about additional tools if we don't have what you're looking for. Materials and mats. Depending on your material, choose the correct cutting mat. Light grip for paper and light cardstock. Standard grip for regular cardstock and vinyl. Strong grip for heavy materials like chipboard. Fabric grip for cloth and felt, used with the rotary blade. The Maker 3 also works with smart materials. That means no mat needed for certain projects. Just load the material directly into the machine. Your first project. Let's walk through a basic cut. 1. Open Cricut Design Space. 2. Choose a template or create a custom design. 3. Select your machine model and material. 4. Load the blade or pen. Load your mat or smart material. 5. Press the go button when it lights up, and that's it. Cricut will take it from there. Cool features. Our Cricut models come with some awesome features. Fast mode speeds up cutting and writing for certain materials. Matless cutting for smart vinyl, smart iron-on, and smart paper. Adaptive tool system automatically adjusts pressure for different materials. Bluetooth, go wireless if you prefer. Troubleshooting tips. Running into issues? Try this. If cuts are too shallow, check your material settings or blade condition. If the mat isn't feeding, reload it and make sure it's straight. For drawing issues, make sure the pen is fully clicked into place. Restart Design Space or the machine if it's unresponsive. Still stuck? No problem. Ask our staff at any time. And that's it. You're ready to start cutting, drawing, and creating with Cricut. Whether you're designing custom gifts, personalizing clothes, or making something new, our Cricut models are here to help. Have fun exploring, and don't forget, use the right mat and tool for your material. Always check your settings in Design Space and ask us if you're unsure. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy making!